What's up guys, hey Anthony here, and we have gotten so many questions about our solo stove. So we have with us right now the Solo Stove Ranger, and we're gonna use it to turn it into a DIY hot tub. We only needed 4 things outside of our solo stove. We needed our trough. You could use really anything, I'm sure. Even a kiddie pool would work, but you need the trough, you need copper fittings, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna attach this to our copper coil. So you're gonna need to get some copper coil. Any department, Home Depot, something like that, you'll be able to find that. And then a pump. You can use a fish tank pump, you can use a pool pump, just something that's gonna be able to cycle the water for you. So that's your supply, so let's get started. Just make sure your hose is off before you try to take the head off. Come on, come on, there we go, there we go. Cool, it's gonna take some time, so we're gonna let this be filling up while we start working on the solo stove itself. When it's lit and there's fire, it's heating up the copper coil, and the pump is going to cycle the water around the solo stove back into the tub, which is what's gonna give us a hot tub. Nice. Oops. There we go. So we have our copper fittings, we've filled up the tub, we have our pump ready to rock and roll. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the copper fitting on there like so. Screw this guy. All right. I'm pumped. It's gonna be awesome. We got everything hooked up now, so we're just gonna do a test to see if the water cycles. And if it does, we're gonna build a bonfire and start heating this tub up. Mr. Bob, could you fly in an extension cord for us, please? Coming in now. Coming in hot. I thought you were really gonna toss it, so I covered up. So it's totally working. So this totally works, we're excited. So we're gonna build a fire and get this tub hot. So the best way to start fire is lighter fluid. So we've sent Mr. Bob to go get some. Where'd all his eyebrows go? His talking head videos are very, Oh! Nice. So this thing is totally already working. The water is already coming out warm. So I think it's only been 30 seconds. I think another 20 minutes, this thing will be nice and hot. Bob, can I borrow a Speedo?
I'm still drying.
All right, so it's taking us a little longer to heat up the water. We are now at a 40-minute mark, but the water's getting pretty warm. We still probably have another 25 minutes to wait. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna eat some wieners. All this hard work really has gotten to us. You guys, this is awesome. This totally worked. It took exactly 2 hours for this thing to be hot. And when I say hot, it is hot tub hot. You can see the steam. I mean, this thing is really fun. This is a really cool idea. If we go camping for a long period of time where we have access to some sort of water, this thing is an epic bring, a DIY redneck hot tub. This is awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. Oh. Oh my gosh. This is unbelievable. Dude, this is actually really cool. Some of the things that we would do differently next time, when we do next time, because we're gonna do a Solo Stove 2.0. We're gonna use a larger Solo Stove with double the amount of copper, which I think would really cut down the heating time, but 2 people could easily fit in here. And at the rate this is heating up, we may have to stop the pump. So we'll see you in the next video. as we do Solo Stove 2.0. You all right?